Hello again, it is the next day and all that's left to do is add some paint details to all of these grey pieces that you can see behind me. I've done a few bits last night already. So this is one of the toes. I've done some dark grey along the bottom. I've done those little socket bolt head thingy-mabobs with a gunmetal grey, and the same dark grey I've done on the bottom in the recessed area. And yeah, they're looking pretty cool. I've done the silver bits on these are parts of the elbow arrangement, I guess, and the bolt things on the shoulder flaps. The pistons, I've done the silver for the hydraulic ram, I suppose that is, and that's it. So today is just a case of going around with silver paint, grey paint, bit of black paint, some red paint, some yellow paint, tiny bit of green paint, and taking all these pieces from being just grey to being a little bit more interesting. I'm just hoping I've got enough paint again, because Hobbycraft now for some reason has no silver paint left, and it takes them days to get more in, but we'll see how we go. Oh, I picked up more black paint, and of course used my trade card, I got a cushy discount on that. So I'm going to crack on with some painting and we see where I'm at in a few hours. It's been about 4 hours and I have been painting lots of stuff. I have spray painted these bits black. I masked off the little pizza slice thingies because they've got to be red, and red covers grey a lot easier than it does black, and I've only got a little bit of red paint left. Seems to be a running theme, me running out of paint, but there you go. Turns out I was an idiot when I masked these off, because all of that crap in between the barrels needs to be black as well. So I should have masked it off around this area here. But I can remask that and just spray that bit in the middle. I've done the tops of these grey. The shins are around somewhere. There's the other one of the, what's that, thigh? Yeah, part of the thigh. Shins are over here. Got some grey bits going on here and down where it connects to the toe. The other one is over there drying. These are primered. These go underneath the body somewhere. These are grey with black little circle things. It's the same grey. You might guess I'm working my way through all the dark grey bits, and I'm on the last bit now, I think, which is the gun with the rocket launcher on. And I haven't done the ammo pod thingy, but I have done the rocket launcher. There's a couple of bits on this that need to be silver, but like I say, I'm doing the grey first, so I've just got to do this ammo pod thing, and I think that's all the grey done. Although I'll probably wash up my brush that I've been using for the grey and realise I've missed a bit, but you know, that'd be just my luck. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with this last bit of grey, and then I think it is gunmetal colour for all of the little rivety things like those. So there's a couple of details that are that colour too, so I'm going to do that next. It's raining, but I don't have anything to spray, so I don't care. There's no toxic fumes coming from this paint, so I can sit here in the nice dry shed and continue painting, which is what I've been doing. All the dark grey stuff is done. I'm now moving on to these silver bits, like this bit here, here, and these pipes. So I'm going to continue with the silver, and then it's onto these little bolt things, and I think that will be all the painting done. If you look at the time, it's up to 8 o'clock. So what have I done? I am now on the gunmetal and dark grey colour, which are doing these little bolt thingies. So this is one of the shins, and I've added some yellow and red too, and it's looking pretty damn cool. I think the shins are my favourite bit. So that's one completely done. The other one is just awaiting some yellow and red down there. And then I am doing... what am I doing? Don't know. Just the silver bits. Legit, just the silver bits. Which is quite a lot. I've got to do the elbows, the armpits, I guess, and you see that leg over there that's got that silver crap on the top. The other one, which you can just about see over there, maybe hasn't, so I need to do that one. So yeah, quite a lot of silvering, but I've got a big brush, so hopefully I can smash that out pretty quick. Still bloody raining, but I don't care. I started at 9:30 this morning. It is now 11:30 at night, and I'm not quite done. There's a little bit left to do. So the guns are mostly done. There's just a little bit of black needs going in the gaps here. I still haven't done the silver on those things or those things, but that's easy, so I'm saving that till last. I've added the pistons to the legs there, added the bits back in here. Painting these things taken absolutely freaking forever, but they look cool. I've dressed up the pelvis. The back looks very nice, look at that. And I put together a whole leg. And it's looking pretty damn cool. So a couple of hours tomorrow and this should be a done deal. I think the most remarkable thing is I've been painting for 14 hours solid, using various paints, spray paints, brushy on paints, laying underneath the thing. And in that time, I have not got a single bit of paint on my white shirt. Look at that. Madness! As if I didn't get a single bit of paint on my white shirt. So yeah, Ed is nearly done. But I'm going to go and get some food. I'm freaking starving. And then I'll be back.